an update on the Ateneo varsity tragedy. A former Ateneo player and lawyers for the school have appeared before the CIDG as the investigation continues into the death of student athletes Lene Baterbonia and Divine Adili. We have Laid Kabagani on the phone for the latest. Laid, go ahead.
My former Ateneo de Manila University basketball player Dave Ildefonso and several lawyers representing the school appeared before the PNP CIDG today as part of the ongoing investigation into the deaths of two Ateneo Kigers in Aurora earlier this month. The lawyers arrived at the CIDG headquarters at around 8 a.m. while Ildefonso arrived about an hour later. Neither Ildefonso nor the lawyers gave any statement to the media following their appearance. The CIDG launched its investigation nearly 2 weeks ago and has since expanded its probe to examine possible cases of homicide or hazing linked to the incident. Authorities previously said they were not only questioning players and coaches who attended a team-building activity at a beach resort in Ipakulao, Aurora, but were summoning former Ateneo players following allegation of questionable practices in previous years. My Pangilinan is business tycoon Manny Pangilinan is expected to arrive in Camp Crame as the CIDG seeks statements from officials of MVP Sports Foundation, including who earlier been identified as key supporter of Ateneo men's basketball program. Unfortunately, despite the summon, the business tycoon is no-show today at the CIDG. Only the lawyers of the school have appeared, but then after which a determination may be made on whether charges will be filed.
Laid, yung no-show ba ni MVP makakaapekto doon sa timeline ng investigasyon ng CIDG?
Yes, my DILG Secretary John Vic Rimulya, sabi niya that the CIDG has invited the business tycoon para malinawan yung mga ongoing probe dito sa drowning incident. Sabi rin ni Rimulya, the PNP is expected to complete its investigation and submit its findings to the Department of Justice by Friday. So it might be affected, Mike.
Maraming salamat, Laid Kabagani reporting.